Hi, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a haul of Pair Eyewear, but it's Christmas edition. If you've been watching my channel at all, you may have seen my two other videos that I did with Pair Eyewear. It was probably a couple of months ago. The first video, it was my very first time ever unboxing the Pair Eyewear. And then the second video had to do with my experience with their customer service and what had happened. And today I'm here to share with you my experiences. Now that it's been a couple of months, I can still tell you I love Pair Eyewear. If you're not familiar with what Pair Eyewear is, it's like a convertible eyeglass system. And I'll show you what I mean whenever I demonstrate this. So here's my package that I got. Oh, and I want to say, excuse the noise. I'm making homemade pasta in the kitchen. And I do have some videos on that too, blunders and all. But getting back to the Pair Eyewear, I'm gonna go ahead, and this is my first time opening these. Okay, sorry about that. I had to go, my alarm went off because my dough was ready for me to take out of my KitchenAid. Now I have ordered several, they call them tops. It's the top of the glasses. Oh, and for those of you who don't know what Pair Eyewear is, so you buy your base frames and then you buy these tops that you can interchange in and out, and they can be different designs. It could be like sunglass looking ones, and they pop right off. They're magnetic. So I probably have maybe close to a dozen of them already because I'm pretty addicted to these. And now I just bought more for the Christmas holiday. So I'm gonna have to go back and see which one is which, because a couple of them have similar names to them, but they came in two different boxes. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I bought 6 new top frames that are all Christmas holiday edition, like Christmas and wintertime. So in this first box, and this is how they come. They just come in these boxes. Now the first time you get your Pair Eyewear, they're gonna come in an eyeglass case for your base frames, which are your actual prescription glasses. And then when you order more tops, you get them in these smaller boxes. So in this one, there's 3 in this one. Okay, so what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to show you each one that I purchased this go around for this Pair Eyewear haul. So the first one I got, this one is called the Candy Cane Swirl. This one is called the Snow Globe. This one is called Jack Frost. This one is called the Candy Cane. This is Festive Dots. And this is called the Snowman. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna pop them on so you can kind of see what it looks like. The Candy Cane Swirl, the Snow Globe, Jack Frost, the Candy Cane, Festive Dots, and the Snowman. Now I know you normally would not put them on one right on top of the other, but this is what they look like. So I wanted to show you, I don't remember what this one was called. If you go watch my previous video, which I will link both of the videos that I've made previously in the description box below. But this is one of the tops that are like for sunglasses. So the reason why I wanted to show you these is because I told you there were a couple of tops that were like sunglasses. So I have this one and I have another one. I would like to get a couple more, but these work great. And if you want them even extra dark, you can put one on top of the other. So I wouldn't recommend that if you're driving because it does get kind of dark. But these are an example of the, I think they call them sun tops. Most of the top frames cost anywhere between, I think it's $25 to $30 for the majority of all the top frames. So if you are wanting to get these sun tops and you feel like that's kind of expensive for individual ones, you can go online, and when you register and get your own account, you can sign up for and get your own refer a friend code. So if you would like to have your own refer a friend code, it's if somebody uses your refer a friend code, you get $25 for each qualifying purchase, and they get $25. So it's kind of a nice little thing to help keep the cost down. And I will go ahead and put my refer a friend code down in the description box below to get you started if you're interested in these types of glasses. And right now, you can get 20% off site-wide for any Pair Eyewear. And they might also, I know when I first started this, I also got a discount because I was a new user. I don't know if they still have that, but if you use the holiday 20 right now, you can get the 20% off. I imagine they will probably continue to have different codes through the holidays, but they do tell you if you purchase by December 7th, you can get your glasses by Christmas time. So this is a great gift idea. How this works is you either can give them, see, here are some of the sun tops that you can get, but there's all different types of frames and tops you can get. So you can click on, like I'm going to shop for women's frames. This is where you would choose your base frame. I happen to have the Finley, which is this one. And so once you have your base frame, then you can purchase whatever magnetic tops for your frame. These are all the types of frames you can select from. There's a collections, breaking it all down. You can either look at all tops, new arrivals, bestsellers, and so forth. Then there's limited edition. So cozy New Year's, bring back fall. There's a holiday one. And then there's collabs. So if you wanted something specific like Van Gogh or Marvel, and you can even use and purchase frames for Coca-Cola and Sesame Street. So if I go to the holiday, these are all the ones that you can choose from. Now on these, it's showing the Larkin, but you can get that changed to the, like I could get it changed to the Finley because that's the one that I have. So when you select the top that you're interested in, you would then select the frame shape, and I am the Finley. It will show you what it looks like, and then you can just add to the cart. So this is just an example of how easy it is to select these frames. Make sure you go back, if you're interested in these, make sure you go back and watch that first video, and you can see the description and how it works. So I was talking to you about the Refer a Friend. Once you set up an account, you can click on the Refer a Friend, and then they will create a code that is specific to you and your account. You can just copy the link and email it, text it, or however you would like your friend to receive the code. So you copy the link and then you can paste it. So it's you give 25 and get 25. So I think I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video there. I want to thank you for spending your time with me. I appreciate you, and until next time, thank you for watching.